Hello everyone, welcome back to ToupTek Astro channel. You may need just one small equipment to become an astrophotography master: tilters. So today let's have a look at how to install the tilters with the SkyEye series cameras. First, let's look at the design details of this tilter. This tilter consists of 4 sets of screws to form a complete regulating mechanism. These 4 sets of screws corresponding to the 4 corners of the sensor. Any adjustment of the start point in any corner can be made by turning one of these screws. Additionally, this tilter, compatible with the SkyEye series, is equipped with a central zero-scale line. It helps in aligning the 4 corners with the 4 sets of screws, which will make the process more convenient. We also provide an M54 flange ring with a thread specification of M54 multiple 0.75 mm and a thickness of 4.5 mm. This ensures a stable connection with the SkyEye series camera. Installation tutorial. Next, I will show you how to install this tilter onto the new versions of the SkyEye series cameras. Due to the update of the SkyEye series cameras, the mechanical housing has changed. The current version consists of 3 parts. The first part is a 5 mm ring at the top. The second part is the 4.5 mm ring of the second layer. The third layer is the camera body. Before installing the tilter of the SkyEye series, we need to remove the top 2 threaded rings. First, I'll remove the first ring and the second ring. The second ring has a thickness of 4.5 mm, which matches the thickness of the flange ring. So after installation, the back focus distance will remain unchanged. It remains to be 12.5 mm. Once removed the top 2 rings, we can place these 2 rings aside. Make sure not to lose the small screws. After removing the top ring and the second 3-point tilter, then we can install the flash ring to the camera. Be mindful that the flash ring has 2 sides. The reverse side has scale lines, while the other side does not. There are chamfered edges both at camera's center edge and the tilter's edge. The chamfer ensures that, once installed, everything fits perfectly. Simply slot it in thanks to the chamfer. It will naturally align the tilter with the camera, and you don't have to worry about the horizontal position of the tilter. This ensures the sensor's 4 corners align with the 4 screws on the tilter. And then we can continue. Next, take a larger screw from the package. This larger screw is used to install on this side of the tilter to lock the smoke lamp. Use the larger screw and put it into the tilter. Make sure to tighten the clamp. Next, we need to connect the flash ring with the tilter. Align the 4 outer holes on the flash ring with the 4 points of the tilter. Flip it over and use the 4 longer M2.5 screws from the packaging. Insert them into the 4 holes. And screw them in. We recommend tightening the screws diagonally to help align the holes and balance the pressure. Don't rush to tighten the locking screw. Tighten the screws once all 4 screws of the tilter are all in place. Once all 4 screws and the locking screw are installed, turn the camera over. At this point, the tilter installation is done. With this tilter, the back focus length of the camera is 12.5 mm. If you want to achieve a 17.5 mm back focus, you can reinstall the first ring that was removed earlier to the tilter. Now I will show you how to connect the SkyEye camera with the tilter with our filter drawer. Please note that we've updated the SkyEye series camera structure. So, if you want to connect a filter wheel or filter drawer to the SkyEye series cameras, longer screws are required. First, remove the top ring and place the filter drawer on the tilter. Next, use the 4 long screws and 2 short screws from the filter drawer package. Insert them into the filter drawer's screw holes and tighten them. At this point, the filter drawer is connected. If you want to achieve a 55 mm back focus in this configuration, you will need to install the top ring. Just put it in like this. But if you wish to add an OAG to the filter drawer, then you will need to place a 5 mm ring between the OAG and the filter drawer. This ensures that the light path of the OAG guiding camera matches that of the prism to the main camera, so they can both focus without this ring. Focusing may be difficult. To install the OAG, longer screws are required. If you don't have these extended screws, you can contact our consumer service for purchasing the right screws. Once the OAG spartan ring is installed, add the cover plate. Now, the installation of SkyEye 16-2 series camera, M54 tilter, filter drawer, and OAG is done. This connection method differs from the previous SkyEye and ATR series cameras. When connecting these accessories, the SkyEye series camera requires you to remove the top connection ring and install it on the front of either the filter wheel or the filter drawer. Also, the OAG needs to be connected with a longer screw.